check this out. cr10s printing this base, and it is doing a phenomenal job. It had no problems, nothing. Maybe you can see down in there when the nozzle moves, but no stringing, no nothing. Straight out of the box, level the bed, bam. And I'm sorry if my video is a little bit shaky right now. I'm getting a tripod to put my camera on and everything, so it'll be stable. And it's printing right at, let's see here, .200 degrees, the nozzle, 60 on the bed, feed rate running at 100. The thing's moving, and it's doing a good job. It's doing a real good job. I really couldn't ask for anything better. I just wanted to share this with y'all, see what you think about it, because it is looking awful nice. And when it comes off of the print bed, of course I'll do a little update here, and that way you can see the whole thing and we can really get up close to it and see all the detail in it and how good this printed out. So if you know any other bases or anything that looks really good, anything like that, or anything you want to see me print or something, let me know. I'll print it out. We'll see what we can do. I got a bunch of filament, and I got some coming tomorrow. It will be here in the morning, and I am excited about it. I am excited about it. I can't wait to see what they have sent me. Well, we will continue this whenever it gets through printing. I'll see you guys then.